Lesson 40, word drill instructions. Go ahead and increase the size of the screen. And remember to make the window active to begin typing, whether you use Control F9 or actually click in the window. And you're just going to fill in the information in the cells, starting with Mr. Frederick Douglason, and then press Tab to type Compliance Committee. Check your work and move on. In this one, they want you to insert a column between A and B. So you can hover up into the Insert Control button and click. Key the following information in the new column, and the best thing to do is type and then just press the down arrow. And then check your work and move on. Center the text in column B. If you hover above, you get a down pointing arrow. Click that, and then you can just choose center. To center all of the headings in row 1, point on the left-hand side in the selection bar, click, and again, center, horizontal center. Insert a row below Ballantine, so just hovering till you have the Insert Control button and click. And then you'll key the following information in each of the cells. Again, use Tab to move to other cells. You have your window over here to adjust. You'll put in the dollar signs and the commas, and then check your work. And we're going to delete a row, so click anywhere in the row. And you could be in the center column as well, as long as you're on the correct row. And then from your table tools, select Layout, choose Delete and Row. Insert a new column between B and C, so that would be right here. Key the following information, and I guess the best thing to do would be type the first one and then just use your down arrow. Check your work. In column C2, it's right now through C9, it's all left aligned. So if you select, and they want you to start in 2, leave the title column Office alone. So select C2 to C9, and you want to choose left align. So for this one, they want you to create a 3-column 4-row. So choose Insert, and they want you to use the table grid. So 3 columns and 4 rows. And the next one, they want you to insert a table, but not using the grid. So go to Insert Table, and it'll be 2 columns and 5 rows. And OK. Merge the cells in row 1, so the 2 separate cells become 1. So hold and drag, and then in the Table Tools layout, choose Merge Cells. In row 1, key the following information, all in uppercase. Change the height of row 1. So make sure you're in row 1, Table Tools Layout, under Cell Size. For the height, increase it to 0.4. And then you'll key in the information in row 2. And then you'll have course name, and then don't type the semicolon in the next column, enrollment figures. And you'll see it on this screen. And then we're going to select B3 to B5, so B3 to B5. And we're going to split these cells, so Table Tools Layout, split cells, and we want 2 columns, which is already there, but 3 rows. So in column 1, we're going to leave the one directly below course name blank, and then you'll type in here. So you'll have in here English, Reading, and Composition, and on the last one you'll have Medical Microbiology. There it is. And then for undergraduates, you'll type under enrollment figure, undergraduates here, followed by the 2 figures. Again, do not type the semicolon. So here you have it. And the next one will be, the last column will be graduates here, 97, and then 1,052. Again, do not type the semicolon. Now we're going to merge cells A2 and A3. So this is A2 and A3. And under Table Tools Layout, merge cells. And then all of the headings in rows 1 and 2, apply Align Center. So Table Tools Layout, Alignment Center. Oops. I forgot the all of row 2. So we auto-fit the contents of the table. So again, you'll choose, make sure you're in the table. Table Tools Layout, cell size, auto-fit, and auto-fit contents. Key in the information in the blank row. Again, don't type the comma, just type in the under Position Compliance Committee. Oh, it took me back to 1. So we're all set. Thank you.